I finally got my Seint box that I ordered from the sale because I shipped it to the wrong address. So the first thing I got is I bought my assistant some makeup because she can't get it in the Philippines. So I got her a green palette, and then her colors are in here. But they all came in this little pouch. That's her main highlight, and this is her brightening highlight, lip and cheek color, and contour. So all 4 of those are going to go to her. I got contour and lip and cheek. It's watermelon, and it smells so good. One of her new highlight shades, Palace, which is super versatile. People are calling it the magic eraser because it fixes everything. And Sandstone, one of my favorite lip and cheek colors. I got a brush for my virtual assistant. I bought these 2 palettes for myself because I wanted to have 2 that are completely set up that match each other. This is a number 8 palette that fits 8 full size, or you could fit some extra eyeshadows. So it's huge. This is my biggest palette that I have. 1, 2, 3. So I pretty much think all the stuff I have that I normally use can fit between these 2. You don't need that much, but I've become obsessed. Ultimate favorite color, which is Soulmate. So beautiful and glittery. A new one that I've never tried is Ivy League. Those are all the things I got in my box. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to get color matched and get your 1 palette makeup, you can either use a palette this size or start with a palette 4 that I got for my virtual assistant. We have many different colors, so if you're not into the highlighter colors, I totally get it. If you want to get started, comment the word match, and I will get you your free color match with no obligation as soon as possible. All right. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye.